So we start off today's video with someone who has hair around shoulder length. Ooh, beautiful, dramatic pixie hair change. She ended up getting the asymmetrical pixie shape, which is trending heavily right now at the moment. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, this would be a great way to add some bangs to your hair if you want to keep your hair a little bit longer with your pixie style. This is such a chic and modern look. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some chic before and after hairstyle ideas. Now these are all to inspire you if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're looking to make a major hair change. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful copper colored hair change. Now you guys already know, if you follow this channel, this is by far one of my favorite hair colors that you can try out this season. It's all about finding a shade that really works with your skin tone, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. And then we have someone who also decided to mix things up with an asymmetrical pixie cut. I love the color combination on this as well. She does have a nice little design going there in the back. Beautiful nape area that's kind of tapered just a tad, and lots of curls mixed in with this pixie style. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like the stylist is doing a chop into a bob. Ooh, beautiful blunt bob. I love how much volume this has. So effortless, just stunning. I really think that messiness also gives it obviously some texture, but it also adds some volume, and it really just adds like this messy chic appearance. Just a really cute overall style. So next up, we are at the salon playing hair roulette. I love watching these kind of videos. All right, so is she gonna go light or dark? Looks like she chose dark. So it looks like we have money peas, and I can't really tell what the other one is. Yeah, it's hard to read those as well. Oh, natural. So we have dark, natural. That might be the texture, maybe. Long layers. All right, so let's see what the stylist decides to do here. I feel like it takes a very brave woman to go to the salon and play hair roulette. That's somebody who's looking for a major change and they just trust the stylist blindly to make them over and give them a great look. Ooh, I love the wavy texture. The color looks amazing. Such an inspiring hair change here. Very nice. And look at that dimension on that coloring. This is just so beautiful. It's like a really pretty caramel highlighted mixed in. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest of these hair transformations.